Hello and welcome to the Romero Threads YouTube page, where it's all about embroidery tutorials, reviews, tips, and trade secrets. In this video, I am going to unbox the most popular heat press right now in the industry, especially for those of us who embroider patches. This is going to give our hats a nice clean finish, also making it more efficient and giving us a more accurate finish. This is going to be a two-part video, so in this video is the actual unboxing, and on the second video we'll do our first hat press with our patch. Okay, so let's go ahead, let's get this unboxing started and let's see what's inside. Okay, so let me see. Yep, we have a good angle right here. So this is kind of top view, okay, of this box. Pretty rugged. You could kind of hear the styrofoam. Let's go ahead. I'm actually gonna open it up an untraditional way. Okay, I'm gonna open up the sides just so you could kind of get an idea of how this packaging looks. Okay, so let's open up this top part first. Let's check this out. Okay, bam, look at that. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got some goodies here. Check this out. All right, this looks like it's some samples right here. Let's see what we got. Okay, so on top included, okay, testing report. Very, very important that somebody came and checked out all the specs. Okay, so everything checked out good and it looks like it is ready to go. So let's continue. Okay, here we have the operator's manual. Okay, of course, it's always very good to use your owner's manual. What's real cool, okay, is you actually see the circuit, the electrical schematic. Okay, so you have all the pieces here. All right, very good information here so far. All right, we have a lot of the touchscreen guides portion. Okay, so this is gonna come very handy when I do my first test run. Okay, so let's continue. Also down here on the side, okay, here on the side, heat press for profit kit. Okay, there's more samples. Let's see if you can. Okay, so we have other goodies that they included. Okay, so this looks like some of the HTV, some of the items that look like embroidery. Okay, so more of that, some more samples. Okay, Galaxy SC. Okay, so this is just to, if you want a heat press or vinyl, put vinyl on your hats or on anything. Okay, maybe vinyl, what I see it is good for mask. Okay, a lot of people, they want to put simple logos on the mask, and this machine is definitely capable and very efficient in doing something like that. Okay, I'm going to open up these sides just so we could have a good look. Okay, I usually don't open a box like that. Okay, so there you go. I removed the sides. And like I said before, I cut it the untraditional way. Okay, but that's just so you could get a good view of how it looks when it's packaged. All right, this thing is well insulated. Look at that, it has real thick. Okay, so the heat press, it weighs 40 pounds. Okay, and with the packaging, it's an extra 10 pounds. So in total, that whole box was 50 pounds. So let's continue our unboxing. Okay, so we have, here we have our pads. Okay, so we have what, two? We have a thick one, thinner one. Okay, and it's telling you the information when to use one and when to use the other one. All right, so power cord, let's see this power cord. Okay, it looks pretty long. Okay, it looks like about an 8-foot power cord. Okay, so you should have some pretty good distance. Okay, so now let's remove the hood of this packaging. And oh wow, look at this. It's just solid. Solid. It's built like a tank right here. Okay, so let's continue moving this. Okay, let me take it off the stand. Okay, so there you go. Look at this. It's very small and tidy. Must remove this bolt before use for shipping purpose only. Okay, so this bolt, okay, same thing. With all your packaging, you want to save this, so if you ever have to move, you could secure it down. Okay, so we'll remove that to kind of open it up. Okay, I already have a location, strong location here towards the back where I'm going to have this heat press, but it's very compact. So let's see how much space it's taking. Okay, let's say this is a 18 by 12. Okay, 18 by 12 footprint. Okay, height wise, let's say when it's secured like this, we're looking at 20 inches. Okay, so it's very, very compact. It's built very strong. So far, okay, so far, this equipment is looking very strong, very sturdy, and I'm very excited to start on our first project, our first hat press. Okay, catch us on the part 2 of this video where we're going to do our first hat press on this machine. Okay, peace.